Bitcoin is very near the support of this bear flag pattern. Most often this is going to break to the downside, but at the same time, it's actively testing resistance on the descending wedge pattern, which is actually extremely bullish. So we are looking for major moves, either really strong moves to the downside that could put us towards $68,000, or on this wedge pattern all the way back above $100,000. Big moves are coming in the market, and what we're going to be talking about today in our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout has a lot to do with that. We are looking at a potential dollar collapse. The DXY here is looking at a potential collapse, possibly by the end of April. Again, we're going to be talking about that in the future forecast, or I'm sorry, the Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. If you want more data and if you want to see how we are combating this and setting ourselves up for success, even in the event of something crazy like that, you're going to want to join us for our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout at 2 p.m. Pacific time today, March 27th. You can sign up and access this with the links in the description down below, 25% off your first month. And with that, let's talk about the two potential scenarios here for Bitcoin. My name is Jake with Trade Confident. We're trading with the TC Top and Bottom Finder, price versus vol money flow, and trades in favor indicators. And what I want everyone paying close attention to is the price versus whale money flow. Right now, you see that whale money is buying into the market. And when this happens, you're going to notice that it's going to correlate to moves up in the market. And the opposite is true too. When whale money drops, indicating that whales are selling, the price drops too. And that's because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. If this moves sharply upwards and we see a potential breakout, what we're going to need to do is head to the 1 week time frame. You're going to see here on the 1 week, things are actually still very bullish. In fact, we got a bullish trifecta. Price versus vol money flow low, trades in favor low, and a buy signal most often results in massive moves up on the weekly time frame. Buy signal, price versus vol money flow low, trades in favor low, saw a move up to its maximum of 86%. And now I'm not looking for an 86% move per se, but what I want everyone to pay attention to is simply the fact that we do have highly bullish signals on higher time frames. So a couple months out, Bitcoin may actually be bullish. These signals work 1 to 6 candles out. So we're talking 1 to 6 weeks out is when we're looking for moves up. On the daily time frame though, things are looking the opposite. We're looking at a more bearish pattern. We're looking at a more bearish indicator reading. Price versus vol money flow, while it is moving up, is still high, but we see trades in favor high, and we recently got a sell signal. And if we get another sell signal, this creates a bearish trifecta, which most often sends the price of an asset downwards. We are looking at a move of about 1 to 6 days, maybe 2 weeks at the max of a potential move down in Bitcoin, followed by, through the next couple of months, a much larger move to the upside. So what can you do to maximize your potential profit? Well, you're going to want to look for a buy signal, which most often indicates ideal candle entries. You want to see price versus whale money flow low, which means whale money has oversold and is likely to buy back in to push the price up. And you want to see trades in favor in the long trade zone, which means that downwards momentum has run out and you're likely to bounce to the upside. Simple as that. If you catch that on the daily time frame, based on the fact that we already see that signal combination on the weekly, that could be the final breakout that we need to send the price back upwards. Guys, I know I'm saying all over the place, bullish, bearish. I want to reiterate because I know I'm going to get comments about this. I think this bear flag pattern is going to play out first. After that, that is when the wedge pattern and the signals on the 1 week should come into play and we would see much larger moves up. This is what I want everyone to be prepared for and what we're going to do regardless of the structure support. I'm not even going to give a price prediction for the potential move down. Rather, we are using those combination of signals, the buy signal, price versus vol money flow low, and trades in favor low to find our next entry. We're going to head to the alerts tab and create some alerts to make sure we don't miss it. Remember, we are on the daily time frame, so this is the time frame the signals are going to be set for. Click create alert, switch this to the trades in favor, watch per watch for pump, once per bar close, and we're going to name it. Bitcoin 1 day watch for pump, click create. Next alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder. Keep it at a buy signal, once per bar close, and name it. Bitcoin 1 day buy, click create. And the last alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder again. This time it'll be a strong buy, once per bar close, and name it. Bitcoin 1 day strong buy, click create. These 3 alerts are going to let you know when we are about to post a bullish trifecta. If any of these 3 alerts post on your page, be sure to check the other indicators and see if we have or are at least close to creating a bullish trifecta. And when that happens, guys, you have about a 79% chance of a massive move up. Using these indicator signals, we've earned 284 successful trade calls in a row with 0 losses. Now, the 0 losses is actually thanks to our risk management plan that will be showing in future videos when we get closer for a time to enter. This person met their goal of becoming debt-free. This person says you hands down have the best indicators, earning $1,000 to $5,000 a day. This person earned 10% profit with our indicators, 50 to 70% in a week, 103% in 34 days. If you want access to these insane indicators and make trades like this on your own, being able to view live data, predictive data on any time frame, any coin, you need to have these indicators up on your charts. And our members are going to get access for up to $550 off. And that's on top of money-making benefits like the feature forecasts, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. I can't emphasize how important today's Inner Circle is going to be, so be sure to join us today, March 27th at 2 p.m. Pacific time. If you haven't joined yet, what you're going to want to do is head down to the links in the description of the video you're watching right now. Scroll down, membership link is the first one. Click that, it'll bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started, you now have access to that Inner Circle. What you're going to want to do now is head to the indicator tab, and you're going to notice right here, members are going to get $150 off with the coupon code here. Click Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this, more savings in just a second, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for today's Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Don't miss out.